Hi everyone, Dan from Brainfish. Today we're launching AI Answers for Slack to help your team be successful with the right information when they need it. All you need to do is start with a question, like how do I set up Slack? And then tag Brainfish. Immediately, we're going to look and find that question and start replying in a thread. And you can see Brainfish AI is automatically looking for the documents across all of the knowledge sources that are connected and generating a real-time answer. I can also ask second and third level questions to really get to the bottom of my problem, like, can I pull from Notion? And this is going to help me to really get into the depth of the type of thing that I'm trying to solve. So not only am I getting an AI answer with the source material, but I also am able to solve these more complex issues as well. So you can see here, we've got a really in-depth response here that says, yes, you can sync Brainfish to Notion, and here's how you need to do it. And that's really going to help me to understand. And I go, yes, that did solve my problem. And the other benefit is that for your team, it's really easy to then see where there's gaps in knowledge and where there's opportunities for improvement on the content side. And we can do this through analytics. So in Brainfish, if we jump in on the analytics platform, you're really easily able to see all these AI answers come through. You can see the question I asked here, and it looks like I misspelled that one. You can see the answer that's come out, and it's really easy to then also analyze what content has powered that response and whether or not it needs to be improved based on the quality of the answer. So not only can we answer your team's questions in Slack, but we can answer them across a range of sources beyond just the knowledge in Brainfish. We can pull from your API documentation, your website, your existing customer support help center, and a whole range of different sources there to make sure that the team have access to all of the information they need to be successful. We're really excited to launch this and hope that you enjoy it. Cheers.